Hello, class. Mr. Ayala here. Um, for the unit on World War II, you guys were asked to do a research paper using three different secondary sources. And I know you guys have to do research, but oh well, get over it. It's a good thing to have some research skills. So today I'm going to guide you through the CSCLB library website in order for you guys to find your secondary sources that you guys need to have um, as evidence inside of your research papers. So yeah, let's get started. First thing you guys want to do is you type in CSGLB library. There it is. And then this is going to come up. You want to click on home. All right, so the good thing about CSCLB is that you could just find it using the search bar or library catalog, database by topic, database by title, or research guide. For today, we're going to get started and use database by topic. So you guys want to click here. Um, so you guys, as you guys can see, this doesn't just work for history, but it works for biology, it works for business, it works for geography. But since our unit and our research paper is on World War II, then we're gonna go ahead and do United States history. So you guys want to click here. Okay. One of There's a lot of different databases, but as you can see, Academic Research Complete, American History Imprint. But since we're looking at secondary sources, one of my favorite things to use actually is JSTOR, which is here. It's a journal. It's a journal like database where you guys can find journals and secondary sources. So let's go ahead and click on JSTOR and let's get started. Okay, so JSTOR is pretty easy to use. As you can see, it has a search button and it has a way to like kind of like get more into depth and like what do you guys want to research. So as you guys had selected your research topics and none of you chose the Bracero program. So today I'm gonna have an example on how to research using the Bracero program. And as you guys know, the Bracero program was a program implemented by the United States during World War II to bring in Mexicans for labor since we were short of men during World War II. So type in Bracero program, or this is just an example. Click search. Okay, and as you guys see, there's a lot of different searches. So one of the ways to shorten that is you could go back and you could click modify search. And then for this one, I'm going to use articles. So since we're trying to find secondary sources, I'm going to use articles. Okay. So let's hit search. Okay. As you guys can see, the search numbers went down a little bit. So let's take a look at one of these secondary sources. Let's take a look at Texas and the Bracero program, 1942 through 1947. There it is. There's an article. Um, it's about 14 pages, and if you guys decide to use this article, it's pretty easy. That way you don't have to come back and find it. You could download the PDF. So let's click download. I accept. There you go. And there it's downloaded. That way you guys don't have to come back and have to look for it again. So yeah, there it is. And that's how you research secondary source.